What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here.
I like the white one. Come here, white one.
Check out Jess. We're over here in Wailua once again, guys. Okay. Got a whole bunch of chickens. We're just up here enjoying the view once again at one of our favorite spots. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Holy camole. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. The beautiful Wailua River, guys. Right over there. Came here today because, you know what? I'm going to practice my FPV drone action once again. I'm going to practice just going down this mountain. And maybe going over there. To that mountain over there. But, what? Hey! You caught one! Oh my god, just caught one, guys. Look at that. Holy camole.
He's a handsome boy.
It's a handsome boy? Oh my god. Sheesh. Jess is the chicken whisperer, guys. Yeah. Ooh, nice bike over there, guys. Nice. Oh yeah, he's coming here. Good. Can film his bike. But yeah, guys, there's a whole bunch of chickens over here. Look at that. Look at all these chickens over here, guys. Look at that. Woo. Uh-oh. Fighting.
No fighting.
Fighting. Look at that. Holy camole.
What happened?
Jess, how'd you catch that one, Jess? How'd you catch it?
Come to me.
Oh, yeah?
Hi.
Yeah. There's a whole bunch of chickens over here, guys. Yeah. Hey. Uh-oh. What's going on over there? Hey. My god. I'm trying to keep this rated PG for the kids, guys. Nice bike over there too. But yeah, the sun is about to go down over there, so I'm thinking get some nice we'll get some nice views from the FPV. So yeah, you know what, I'm gonna bust out the FPV and let's see. Alright. My goodness, Jess, they're going off. Holy camole.
Ow.
Alright guys, so that was awesome. I got a little scared a little bit when I was all the way down there close to the river, or well, I was trying to get to the river. I was about to lose signal. So lesson learned, if I dive down like that, I have to be actually by the edge, so the transmission, I guess, from my goggles reaches down there also, guys. So that was kind of a scare, but I think I got some good shots. I'll edit it later tonight along with some chicken videos, guys. Should be good, right, Jess? You enjoying the mango? Jess, tell the crew what's going on with the mango. Is it sweet or what? What's going on with that?
Sweet.
Is it? Oh yeah? Holy moly. Yeah, so Jess went over there, climb. Was it good? Did you have fun climbing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not sour, guys. The mango is not sour.
It's my third one already.
It's the third one already? Holy cannoli, Jess. Wow. Okay. Alright guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that flight and catch you guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, guys. And hit that bell notification if you guys want to see more, you know, island life, drone flying, all that good stuff. And
I'm making another right here. It's going to try to cement.
oh, and hit the like, guys, if you like this. And then, oh, the battery's about to die. And check out my Shopify, guys. Link will be down in the description if you want to help fuel my channel. Just buy a hat or 30. All right, guys. Peace out. Okay.
We're gonna go let go.
Go ahead.